morning, educators. Today we're focusing on the power of positive reinforcement. Just like we reward our pets for good behavior, we can encourage positive behavior in our classrooms with praise and rewards. Here are a few simple yet effective strategies. Specific praise. Instead of "good job," try "I really appreciate how you listened carefully during the discussion." Catch them being good, acknowledge and reward even small acts of kindness, cooperation, and effort. Verbal praise. A sincere thank you or "I'm proud of you" can go a long way. Non-verbal praise. A smile, a nod, or a thumbs up can be powerful motivators. Class rewards. Celebrate collective achievements with a class party or a special activity. Remember, positive reinforcement is about building self-esteem and fostering a growth mindset. Let's create a classroom where students feel valued and encouraged to succeed. Thank you for joining us today. Stay tuned for more classroom management tips. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for your educational inspiration. Let's build a positive and supportive learning environment for all.